What's up, internet? Today we're checking out the cheapest benchtop multimeter you can get on Amazon. But I didn't just stop there. I turned it into a voltage logger that tracks fluctuations in power over time. Let me show you how it works. Here's the deal. Every minute this little guy records the voltage and saves it to a log file. If the voltage dips too low, what we call a sag, or spikes too high, what we call a swell, it logs the events including how long they lasted. To demonstrate, I'm using this auto transformer to simulate voltage sag and swell. First, I'll show you a sag event. So the voltage we're looking to drop down is below 216. So that's went to 213. Yep, back up. Now we'll do a swell event. So the voltage 253 and above. Alright, so we went above, back down. Ooh, we almost went back down. Alright, I'm going to show you the text file which it saved it in. So we'll go voltage minute log, see that one first. There you go, so the time something was recorded and then the voltage. Keeps going like that. We'll go to the voltage log. This one here gives me the sag and swell events. So you can see the one when we went down to 213 and the one when we went to 256, 259. We can import that information into Excel and then we'll be able to graph it. So we'll just turn this into a graph. So you can see over the time down the bottom there what we're doing with the voltage. Let's just fix this whole there you go. Fix it so you can see the graph, so we can see the highest voltage it got to at any one time. It was about 240, maybe 245. Lowest to 236, maybe a little bit lower. There you go. So now I've just added the lines to where it was max and where it was minimum. If you want to try this out for yourself, I've got the install link in the description. Just let me know what you think. If this helped you, consider subscribing or hitting that like button.